Alright, I think we got action now. I got my glove on. Where's the truck? Can't reach the zoom. There's the zoom. Alright, here we go. Action. Action Jackson, here he goes. Look at this. Across the field. Holy fuck. Excuse my language. There he goes. Across the field. Like an idiot. Holy moly. This is something for YouTube. Across the field he flies. Whoa, he's making a corner there. Holy cow. I think he's gonna make it. He's rounding third. He's stopped. He has stopped in the field. What now? In the middle of the blizzard. Oh, he's looking for the way. He didn't know which way to go. He's gonna go off the cliff. There he goes, down in the little valley. Holy moly. Now he's rounding second, I guess. Heading for home. Whoa, the wind won't blow me over. Is he gonna? I think he's gonna do it. I think he's gonna do it. You didn't believe it, but I think he's gonna do it. And meanwhile, whoops, wrong way here, zoom in. It's hard to focus when it's all blizzard. Oh, there's on the road, the tractor's on the road, there it is. Tractor's bloody made it. And the truck is on the road. He's made it. That's a bloody miracle. Through the blizzard of 2009. And they leave the idiots stranded on the road because they are idiots.